Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to start using Threads but don't know how to install it on Android? Today, I'll show you how to download and install Threads on your Android phone in seconds. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you'll find and install the Threads app safely. Step 2. Search for Threads. Tap the search bar and type Threads at the top. Select the official Threads app from the search results. Step 3. Install the app. Tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait a few seconds while the app installs automatically. Make sure to subscribe now so you never miss quick practical tech hacks for your daily workflow. Step 4. Open Threads. App. Once installed, tap the Open button directly from Play Store, or find Threads on your home screen and launch it. Step 5. Log in with Instagram. Tap Log in with Instagram to quickly access your account. Your profile and followers will sync automatically. Step 6. Complete setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. Customize your profile and start posting on Threads instantly. And that's how you can install Threads on Android. Subscribe for more simple and powerful tech guides.